Hey guys, what is up? My name is Kay Marie. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, thank you for joining us today on this video. I look like this because he's going to do my makeup. So if you guys want to watch him do my makeup, hopefully it'll turn out really well, then keep on watching.
Before I start, I just want to say that I am in no way, shape, or form a professional makeup artist, nor do I claim to be. I have no idea where to start. There's a lot of brushes out here. There's a lot of stuff. I see colors and colors and colors.
I'm not telling him what to do.
Here's the advantage that I think I have, and if I can call it an advantage, is that my wife actually did my makeup a couple of weeks ago.
I think it was, a couple weeks ago.
Which, by the way, I'm going to take that time to add that if you have not watched that video, we're going to put the link in the description down below so you can click on that video and watch that video too, because I thought it was hilarious. And
it was really funny.
Alright, so if I remember correctly, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to put some moisturizer on my wife's face, and we're going to use one of this. Which one's the moisturizer? Nothing? So I'm going to assume that since this says prep plus prime, you put this before and after. So look at me. And what this is going to do is this is going to open the pores and make sure that, I don't know what I'm talking. Let's just get this over with. Come on, look at me. Just the fact that you're making that face means that this does not go first.
No, I'm just preparing for the spray.
Okay, so here we go. Look at me and smell. Breathe in. Breathe out. So the next product that we're going to be applying on my wife's face today is the Farsali Perfecting Primer Serum.
We're doing more primer. We're doing more priming to the face.
Absolutely. Some right here and some right there. And what you're, oh my god. And what you're going to want to do is
your hands clean?
Yeah, so but you're going to use yours. So you're going to want to rub that all up. There you go. Get the ones in your eyelashes too. That looks weird. Is this foundation? Is this foundation? Somebody's gotta help me here.
Why don't you show them and ask them if
cream foundation. Huda Beauty cream foundation. Sorry, that's what we're gonna be using today. And I'm going to put some. I've seen you do this, so I know it's something like this. Or is it? So, and then what I'm going to do. What am I going to do? What do I do with this? I don't want to ruin your bro. You gotta guys. Tell her to help me. Help me. I am going to.
You better. Does that look like?
No, looks like for eyebrows. Oh, eyebrows! I forgot the eyebrows. So look at me.
Sorry,
Endo. Oh my god, you look like Achola. Oh my god. Whose hair is that?
Whose hair is this?
Probably the girl that talked to me in Starbucks the other day. Yeah, we gotta tell them about that.
Oh,
That's a good story. While I do your makeup, that's a good story.
Okay.
Why don't you tell them about that?
Okay, so Daniel had a job interview on Friday, and he got the job. Yay! And so I was like, oh, let's go get some coffee since we haven't drank coffee yet today, or on Friday. And so he went in. He was wearing a really nice, navy blue suit. He was looking extra fine. This girl, she just decided to come up to him and starts asking, do you go to UCF? And that's a really big university out here in Florida. And he goes, no, I don't go to UCF. She goes, but I feel like I know you from somewhere. Are you sure you don't, we haven't met yet? Or we haven't met? And he goes, no, I don't know who you are. And so he texted me and he goes, we gotta talk. I'm like, oh crap, okay. And he goes, I was like, about what? He goes, this girl just came up to me and started talking to me. And I was like, I figured, because every time he goes into Starbucks, some girl tries to always come at him. And I was like, okay, whatever, that's it happens. And then, I guess she found him on LinkedIn. And it was, literally not even, 10 minutes. Okay, so basically we got home. He checked his phone. and he noticed that he got a request from on LinkedIn, and he goes, "Oh, heck no. It's the girl from Starbucks." And he explained to me that she was wearing like a what'd you do? I'm not looking at anything, so I don't know how I look. How do I look, guys? Do I look stop. Beams.
I'm so sorry.
Anyways, so he was explaining to me what she looked like. So he told me that she was like short, Caucasian, and she was wearing like this really tight navy blue dress, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so she was wearing this tight navy blue dress, and he showed me the picture of what she looked like. I'm like, oh my gosh, I saw her walking out with her friend. And he goes, oh no. She came back in to talk to me. I'm like, holy crap, dude. Like, seriously? Like, that's stalker status. I'm like, girl.
So can I call a timeout real quick?
Yeah.
I need you to do. Remember the face that you made me do last time?
Yeah.
The famous.
Mhm.
I want you to do that for me. Yeah, beeps. So look, here's my take on that, on all that stuff. If you ever get to watch this, one, please don't try so hard the next time. Two, don't feel bad. Don't feel bad. It happens to the best of us. And three, you're more than welcome to like my wife's page. You know, I'm not saying I'm not saying that we hate you. We don't hate you. We actually welcome all compliments. I get it. You know, I'm irresistible.
But
That's messed up. But I'm sorry.
yeah.
Yes. So here's what I want to do, baby. I'm going to let that bake right there. I'm gonna let.
Oh.
This is falling all over the place. I think I'm wasting it. Oh no. Okay. No, I'm not gonna do eyeliner.
Ooh, what palette are you taking?
Oh, by the way, guys, yes, I'm using it because I bought my wife two of these. That's why I chose to use this today. This is a Jacqueline Hill palette. I actually love when my wife uses this palette. The colors are just amazing. And yes, I'm a guy that just said the colors are just amazing. And I say that because most guys, to include me most of the time, only see one brown hair. I'm gonna spray some of this right into it. Booyah.
Not so close. This actually feels like nice. I'm not gonna lie, because I always do my makeup, so like I never have anybody do my own makeup.
How do I pick a different? Do I use a different brush? You know what? Don't tell me. I'm gonna put some bronzer. I'm assuming this is bronzer, and I'm gonna put some bronzer now by Hula. Does it even say bronzer? Ah, it does say bronzer. Fish face. Come on. And I'm putting in.
Sorry.
Stop. Do your face.
I just spit everywhere.
I assume I did something. You haven't laughed like that the whole time, so I assume I was going at least decent until you laughed. So not on the cheek.
Sorry.
I get it. You know, I just want a bronze face. I'm done.
Is it all blended nicely?
No, it is.
Okay.
Now, we are going to the best part of this makeup look. My wife loves highlights, so I'm gonna make sure that she looks like a glowing diva up in here. Ooh!
Highlighting is my favorite part.
Mm-hmm. Do you put highlight on the forehead?
Honey, I put it everywhere.
Oh, good. That's the first cue she gave me. Oh my god. All right, let's put some highlight up here. I'm going to attempt to put another lash on my wife so you guys can see that it's all skills. Below.
Let me finish this.
This is fucking blowing pretzels out. You blowing pretzels out. It's falling apart. Everything's falling apart. Everything is falling apart. Put it too high. Okay, it's fine. You know what? Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. It's there. Oh, sorry.
He almost glued my eyes shut.
The eyelash is like this. The eyelash has got a mouth.
Stop.
Oh my God. I'm sorry. That's just rough. Last but not least, I want to put a lipstick on you. Something like pink, like really pink.
Like really pink?
They're all like naked colors, babe. Do you have pink?
Naked colors.
Like naked,
like nudes.
Hey, pink.
I like the nudes.
Well, nude and naked is not the same. Sorry, guys. Alright. No, don't smile. I don't want to put some on your teeth like you did to me. Tap your head.
Wow.
Hey, look. For the record, I did not do that on purpose, but you had it coming.
Wow, guys.
They can't see
I don't
that.
know.
They can't see that. Let me see.
You got something in your teeth.
You too. Let me see. Oh, of course. Of course, you have to finish it. All right, so look at me, baby. And that is why your husband is the best. Don't look at me like that. It looks weird. I think that is it, baby. I think I am really done here. I put highlighter. I put whatever this is. I put some eyelashes on you. Are you ready to look at yourself? Where's your impression vanity thing?
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh.
Hello.
Hi, how you doing? My highlight looks good. You got, I mean, you put a little bit too much on my nose.
For somebody that
but
doesn't...
for the techniques that he did, he actually went kind of like in order a little bit of how I do my makeup. So that's good. He impressed me. I thought he would be all over the place, but he knows what he's doing. So this is the end result of my husband doing my makeup. If you guys like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you know when I upload a new video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye! Bye.